As the 2020 recipient, I am honored to present the 2021 Weld Coxe Marketing Achievement Award, the highest individual award bestowed by SMPS. The Marketing Achievement Award recognizes a marketing leader for exemplary career achievements in the areas of research, education, professional leadership, marketing communications, and innovative programs, and for lasting contribution in our industries. Weld Coxe was a pioneer in the field of professional marketing services, a founder of SMPS, and the second recipient of the Marketing Achievement Award. 29 individuals have been recognized to date with this award. This year, we honor the 30th and celebrate the achievements of this most deserving honoree. Many called him a valued peer, a trusted mentor, a family man, and most importantly, a man of service and honor. I am privileged to call him my friend, and the 2021 recipient of the Weld Coxe Marketing Achievement Award is Tom Smith.
Advocate, innovator, visionary. Tom's service to marketers and business developers has been a defining hallmark throughout his career. He's a true role model who consistently walks the talk of a servant leader. This defining characteristic has helped the society, the entire profession, and so many people for close to 40 years. Tom's commitment to service began at a young age, first as an Eagle Scout, then president of his senior class. After high school, he enlisted in the United States Air Force, serving during the Vietnam War and returning to complete a bachelor's degree in social ecology. Upon graduating with a master's from UCLA, Tom began working as a regional environmental planner for the Southern California Association of Governments. The lessons learned from his varied marketing and business development experience guided Tom when he formed and led two successful firms. They employed more than 150 professionals and served 500 clients, with both growing into multi-office powerhouses. In January 2014, when the firm was formally acquired, Tom retired and provided transitional consulting services through the end of that year. Tom's service throughout SMPS has been also endless, with leadership positions at all levels. He has been an advisor to 19 society presidents and 21 chapter presidents, and has developed more than 20 educational programs for society chapters. His other accomplishments include contributing to the founding of Marketer Magazine, supporting the creation of My SMPS, and overseeing development of research-based publications that became the foundation for documenting the SMPS domains of practice. Tom also successfully advocated for funding for primary research for the SMPS Foundation and was integral in the effort to research and develop the CPSM exam. Although retired, Tom's involvement in SMPS continues, and his strong leadership, entrepreneurial spirit, and vision continue to be admired by all. Advocate, innovator, visionary. Thomas E. Smith, the 2021 Weld Coxe Marketing Achievement Award recipient.
Thank you, Carolyn. This feels a bit like the Academy Awards, but don't worry, I won't be giving any political commentary. Carolyn, receiving this from you means a lot to me. When we served on the Society board in 2009, 2010, when I was president and you were president-elect, the Society was facing challenging times after the economic meltdown of 2008. I remember thinking as I passed the ceremonial gavel that under your passionate leadership, SMPS would rebound to even higher levels of member engagement. And it has. Thank you, my friend. The Weld Coxe Marketing Achievement Award process is humbling on so many levels. This award is a capstone to my 37 years as an SMPS member and leader. In reflecting on my journey through SMPS, I realized that many activities and leadership opportunities seemed coincidental and to appear out of nowhere. But of course, that can't be true. The New Age writer Deepak Chopra has said, "Coincidences are not accidents, but signals from the universe which can guide us toward our true destiny." My destiny seems to have been framed through service to others, and SMPS provided many opportunities. I see now that my penchant for service provided opportunities to me that others might have missed. My experiences in scouting, no doubt, reinforced the value of service to others. My dad's World War II experience on D-Day and afterwards, and my own military service during the Vietnam War, further opened my eyes to the value of service to our great country. Another reflection relates to my experience as a technical professional and business owner. I initially found SMPS because in 1984, my partners designated me to be the company marketer. I'm sure many of you have found yourself in a similar circumstance. What do I do now? Since I had no experience or training in marketing or business development, I went searching for what I needed. There was no internet searching in those days. I was lucky to find the Los Angeles SMPS chapter. After attending my first event, I was hooked. The incredible energy and supporting atmosphere that I experienced at that first meeting was a continuing source of energy as I moved through my SMPS journey. And so my challenge to all SMPS members is this: embrace challenges and opportunities, whether coincidental or not. You might just find, as I did, that they will lead you to some interesting and rewarding experiences. As hockey legend Wayne Gretzky said a few years ago, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. So don't be afraid to take some risks. Of course, I wouldn't be here accepting this award without the help of an amazing group of SMPS friends who helped me and kept the submittal package on track over the many months of its preparation. The day-to-day group included Frank Lippert, Dana Burks, Donna Corlew, and the very talented marketing manager, Leslie Kokoris. Leslie's talents generated the design and structure of the submittal. Red Team reviewers Barbara Schuck, Karen Courtney, and Kevin Hebblethwaite provided critical suggestions for improvement as we moved toward the submittal deadline. Thank you, friends. Critical input was also provided by a group of special SMPS friends and business associates who wrote supporting letters. Not surprisingly, some of those friendships began during my earliest years in SMPS. My journey to this place and time would not have been possible without the encouragement of Carla Thompson, Craig Park, Dana Burks, Julie Lures, Karen Courtney, Mike Riley, Terry Vitar, and the late Ron Garikas. And so thank you to these special friends. Thanks also to 17 other important friends not already mentioned who provided testimony and support. I don't have time to mention them, but I'll reach out to them separately. You know who you are. And of course, I can't forget headquarters staff who provided historical data and information when I found my memory and my record keeping lacking. Special thanks to Michael Geary, Tina Myers, Molly Delerta, and Christine Chiricella. In closing, I want to express my heartfelt thanks to Lorraine, my life's partner of nearly 49 years, and our kids Julia, Anna, and Tony for supporting my way from the family, as well as the many people in SMPS and in the larger AEC community who have supported me throughout my career as I served our very special society. Thank you for this honorable award.